Hello everybody. So now I forgot, but we need to unbox this, but I was able to open this earlier. So this around 398 pesos. No? This from not too long ago, from February 23. 398 pesos or around $7. $7 I think. So it's already open. But we have a nice packaging and the inner box is still sealed. So this is another nail clipper that I think is fancy. I think it's fancy, so I wanted to check it, right? So I was able to own two, I think three nail clippers that are U Green. No, Mr. Green. Was that from Mr. Green? Yeah, I think so. But anyway, this is a new one. So let's try to unbox it, then get an overview about it. Okay. Let's try to open this. So still sealed. The packaging is really nice. This one is still sealed right here. Right, so this is the opening. So I'll try to open it. There we go. Wow. It looks okay. I like the design. It's a little bit rough though, or is it dust? It's not too far from Mr. Green. This one is a nail file, I think. Yeah, it's a nail file made of acrylic or glass. I don't know. It does its job. See? So yeah, wow, it works. Let's see. This one is metallic. Huh? This one, I don't know what's the use of this one. So as not to lock, or it's like a spring. See? But you cannot close this when you're using it, because you cannot twist this. Right? The typical nail clipper, you will twist this and then you can start using it like this. But this one, you cannot twist this one. It's permanent. But you have to use this one. So if you open this, you open the latch here so you can close this for storage. Right? And this one, if you want to use it, you have to set this one here to block the opening. And then you can use it to clip your nails. Okay? Also, the contents would be here once you use it, so you can throw it away. Okay? We'll be able to test it because my nails are getting longer and we're pretty busy, so we'll be using it. All parts are metallic, I think. Yeah. So this metallic, this metallic, this really nice, right? It has the same design as this one, a little bit shiny. You have a screw here, right? This one is a little bit rough. That's the name. Okay, let's try using it. Oh wow, it's pretty sharp. You have to be careful with this. That's it for me. Basic, pretty basic nail clipping. It's really sharp. Nice. And then now let's try to see anything. There we go. See? So you can throw it away. Nothing is left. That's good. Let's try to continue the other nails. Yeah, nails from the other fingers. I mean, that's it. This one, this one, this one. There you go. Alright. It's working. It's working as expected, but I'm having a little bit of trouble because I don't have any markers, so I don't know if it's in focus or not. But I'll try my best. There you go. Let's see the collection. The collection, we have a lot. It's good. It's working as expected, and I think it's a good quality. Not very high quality, but it's really good. It's much better than your typical nail clippers that you buy on the convenience stores or on pharmacies. This one is much better. Okay, let's just try to finish up. There we go. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comments. If you have questions or suggestions, don't forget to support the channel as well. Please like and subscribe. The channel needs your help. Okay, we're done. So we'll be finishing up with the nail filer. That we'll do up. We will not record that anymore. But this one is really nice. It's really good. I'm satisfied with it as of now. So that's it. We're not experts on nail clippers, but this product is good. Okay, that's all for now for the overview and the unboxing of this particular item, the Llano or the Llano nail clipper. So thank you for watching. Please take care. See you on the other videos. Goodbye.